Welcome to my channel. How to confirm engine history before purchase. 1. Check VIN number. Use the VIN to verify complete vehicle history including engine details, past ownership, and accident records. 2. Review service records. Ask for maintenance history to ensure regular servicing like oil changes and engine repairs. 3. Inspect engine number. Match the engine number with official documents to confirm originality and avoid illegal engine swaps. 4. Look for engine replacement signs. Check for new bolts, mismatched parts, or fresh paint that may indicate engine replacement. 5. Check engine oil condition. Clean oil shows good maintenance, while dirty or sludgy oil indicates poor care. 6. Perform OBD scan. Use an OBD scanner to detect hidden engine faults and error codes. 7. Listen to engine sound. A smooth and steady sound means a healthy engine, while knocking noises can signal serious issues. 8. Check exhaust smoke. Blue smoke means oil burning, black smoke indicates fuel issues, and white smoke suggests coolant problems. 9. Verify mileage history. Compare the odometer reading with service records to detect any mileage tampering. 10. Get professional inspection. Always have a trusted mechanic inspect the engine before making a final decision. Thanks for watching.